Yeah, a one time, Gangsta. Oh na 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 na.
All right. Yes. Welcome back. Yes, we are back. This is Hair by Clippers, and I would like to welcome you guys. Welcome to our channel. Please, you should always make it a point by clicking on the red button. Please subscribe, because yes, the channel that you will find all these hairstyles that you need to know. Yes, so today we are going to be something that is interesting, and we have been doing this in a crochet, and it was a melee dread. But this time around, let's try to do it individually, like doing one knot, like yes, no crochet. No crochet. So now let's no crochet. Let's do it right now. When we are trying to do when we're doing the crochet, when we're doing the crochet, but not doing them on cornrows, what we always do, we first make these inside knot less slowly by slowly. And here is another thing. Mostly we were getting this problem of some people would make these inside knotless, and they make the threes out of they make the threes from down up the top. And you find someone, when you stay with this hair like for a long time, then unplaiting this becomes very hard for you. So I would advise, like, when you do it this way, like this inside knotless way, and you try to tie like two, three times, and then please try to twist it. Yes, at least the twisting will be very easy to unplait it. But when you continue with the threads, it might be very okay. It might not be easy for you to unplait it after like a while. When someone says overstay with this hair for a while, she might not unplait it. It might be very hard for her to unplait it. So you can see, like, when we're done with that, it is always very simple for us. The most thing I would say about this hairstyle, you make sure that you arrange your boxes very nicely, the shape of your boxes very nicely. Then after arranging them, you try to apply the crochet as the way we always do it. So when you apply it, you just have to do as the way we always crochet these other crochets in the individually. Then after bringing this extension, you just have to crochet it this way. Then you continue with the braiding. So this time around, it's just going to be like how can I call it, like a zigzag plating. You don't have to make it tight, you don't have to make it very soft. It's just a medium, you understand? So you be like you're plating threes but not threes, so it is not known very well. Remember, when we have been doing the crochet, it was very easy for us, because we would just do we do it like we're doing the twists, you understand? But this time around, since it is individual, we are trying to do it as we're making threes, so that even our hair can stay inside without coming out. So this is the way you can do it. You keep on separating it, but make sure like it doesn't show that is three, you understand? It's just something like you're trying to tangle it. Yes, that's why then after, the outcome will look like dreads, you understand. Even if you don't use this method of doing it like you're plaiting threads, you can even use this twisting, still it would work, as I'm going to be showing you. We're going to try another braid and we see if you're doing it with a twisting how it can do. So you just have to keep you continue with this plating this way. Trust me, it will look nicely. So let's try to continue doing it like this. So when you're done, this is how it looks. It's very, very soft. It won't look like a thread if you use that method of zigzag. So now you continue doing it this way, and after you hold here, you try to be like you rubbing all the hair. Then you try to play the three here. The way we always do this other crochet, like the spring twist. Then here you make sure that you start it this way so that our hair can be firm there. And then after doing all that, it's when you start separating this into 3 portions. And those ones who would want to make them tours, still it is fine, you can still make them tours. And then you continue as you're braiding this way, you understand. You just braid them this way, just like that. It is very simple. You can also try it out, trust me, it will look nice. Yes, just like that. You see, more interesting, just like that. You don't show that you're plaiting the threads, it just comes out automatically. You understand, just like this. Yes, all we need to have is that look of a dread, just like the way we have been doing the melee dread. So you just have to do it this way, just like that. You see, you might not see the threads very well, you understand. Yes, you cannot see it. And what I like about this is like the more it grows, the more it changes to that really dread. So this is how it looks, very, very soft, just like that. You see, I love it. It's very, very interesting. And we crochet it this way, you see. And we are using the soft kinky of expression. Those ones who would want to have them, the soft kinky of expression. So then you just have to try to roll it like this. They were like you're plaiting the threads. So when you do that, you make sure that it's like this. You make sure that you put your hair inside very well. So like when you reach at the end, you just have to get something like here, the small one. Then you separate it. After separating it, so now let's try to use the tools. I'm not using the thread. So you see, even when I'm trying to put it this one, I don't use I don't put a lot of energy. I just have to make sure like I'm just trying to wrap it, you understand, so that it can stay soft and to look like that real dread. So I hope you can also try it out. We always try to create some things, but mostly we just have to focus on the art that we start with, because it is everything. So when you start with a good foundation, then everything is just going to be very, very nice. So this is what I can say, that you can also try it out and make sure that you do something like this. You see, I'm not using any, like I don't put a lot of energy. It's just very soft. You just have to make sure that is that soft and you good to go. You see, so this is what it can this is how it looks after all that. And you can see that dread look. It doesn't look like passion twist. It doesn't look like braids. It doesn't look like these butterfly locks or distress locks. It's just it is different. So for now, I'm gonna sign out, but this is Hair by Clippers. We love you. Bye bye.